Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Cass and today I'm just going to show you two new designs that I'm making into a shirt and my process of how I do all that. Shouldn't be too much, should be fun, should be easy. And just like that, we are done. Let's do a little transition and try her on. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun to make, and I hope you can see how easy it can be for you to make your own clothing. And until next time.